What's up, my natural tribe? It's your girl Ty, and I'm back with another video. For all my newbies, welcome to the channel and thank you for being here. On this channel, we talk about protective styling, hair tips, and just how to grow your hair healthy. So if you are into any of those topics, you should hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you will not miss any more videos, okay? So on today, your girl is going to be showing you how I typically style my polka dot scarf. Or shall we call it my polka dot hair? No, I'm just playing, y'all. We are not doing that. We are actually doing a bomb Flexi Rod set. But today we are doing a trial on a product that I may be offering in the future, guys. So if you want to see these results and how we like this product, tap in because we are getting into it right now. Okay, so I'm just taking a few sips of my herbal tea here and we're gonna get started. So first you want to section off your hair and you want to start misting that section. Next you want to add your sweet almond oil or any oil of your choice. Make sure it is a sealant. And now we're just going to work that through the section as good as possible. And this here no label bottle is the product that we are doing a review on today, and we were just going to see if this was something that I might offer in the future. However, the texture on this foam was a little thin for me. So let me explain what's going to happen on this Flexi Rod. So as I'm supposed to be wrapping it around the Flexi Rod, the hair was actually twirling, if you notice, instead of actually wrapping around the Flexi Rod. So that would have messed up the curl pattern. So you do want to make sure when you are taking your Flexi Rod, you want to make sure it's wrapping around the actual Flexi Rod and not twirling, because if the hair twirls, the curl is not going to come out as a neat uniform curl. It's going to come out as a twirl with a little curl at the bottom. But if that's what you're going for, then hey, more power to that. But when you are doing the Flexi Rod, you first want to overlap your hair at the bottom so that your hair does not go anywhere. And then you want to wrap the Flexi Rod around the rest of your strands. All right, so I'm just misting it. Then I'm adding the oil. And on some of these, I didn't show every step, but I just sped up the video, but I did always mist the hair and I did always oil it. And now I'm just overlapping the ends of my hair, and now I'm just wrapping my hair around the Flexi Rod. And don't mind me, y'all. I'm just bouncing around, listening to this music. It's got you in a vibe and, you know, just helps you flow through the process. Who all listens to music while they're trying to get something done? Let me know down in the comments. So I'm just adding the oil to this. Now I'm adding the foam. I'll say I used probably about 3 or 4 pumps, depending on the size of the section, because this was so thin. And now I'm just going to wrap this around the Flexi Rod. And then you just want to secure the Flexi Rod by overlapping the top and then folding in the bottom so that the ends are nice and secure. Okay guys, so now I am sectioning off the front part because I'm just going to do like 3 little pigtails. And then I'm going to do a flat twist in the front because my hair is thinner in the front. So I try not to put any tension on it as much as possible. So I thought I would just do a flat twist. That way I'm not touching it every day or anything like that. It's not being left out. And it's something different. Plus I was going to decorate it afterwards. So yeah, that was the goal here. And so I'm just flat twisting this all the way down, and then I'm going to rubber band the 3 sections, and then I'm just going to flexi rod those up just like the rest of my hair. Make sure whenever you use a rubber band that you always oil them first, because that's going to help relieve some of the tension that rubber bands automatically cause. So I'm just going to finish flexi rodding the rest of my hair, and I will slide back in just one moment. Okay, so I am finally done, y'all. So I'm going to let my hair dry for 24 hours and I will be right back. And now I am back. It has been 24 hours and we are going to apply the almond oil. And now we're going to take down the flexi rods. Okay guys, so I have unraveled all the flexi rods. So now I'm just going to go through them and gently apply some oil. And then I'm just going to start from the back, and I'm going to start separating the curls. And then I got to find out which way to twist it or coil it. So let's see. So that curl's messed up. So we gotta go the other way. There we go.
Perfect.
Okay, so now I am applying some jewelry to my 3 pigtails in the flat twist, just to spice up the hairstyle. Plus, you know your girl loves her hair jewelry. Okay, so now I am taking my seamless comb and I'm just fluffing my hair. And I'm just going to do it until I think it's fluffed enough. And now I'm just going to perfect these baby hairs. All right, my natural tribe, so this is what your girl's curls are looking like. So I will say they are a little more poofier than last time because I did not dry them under the dryer this time. So that's why my hair looks more poofier. But overall, I still like the style. Make sure you guys let me know down below what you guys think about this style. And if you did enjoy this content, it really helps out the channel. But that is it for today, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching the video. And if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you will not miss any more of my videos. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye now.